A leaking or faulty water shutoff valve under your kitchen sink is a repair you can absolutely handle yourself. Before starting, identify exactly which valve needs replacing. Hot and cold supply lines each have their own valve. Catching a failing valve early saves you from water damage that can cost thousands of dollars to repair. Gather all your tools and materials before starting. Having everything ready prevents mid-job interruptions. The best replacement choice is a quarter-turn ball valve. They are reliable, durable, and easy to operate. That a quarter-turn ball valve lasts significantly longer than the old-style multi-turn gate valves they replace. Place a small bucket directly beneath the valve before doing anything else. Residual water will escape. Locate your home's main water supply shutoff and turn it completely off before touching any plumbing. The main shutoff handle should be perpendicular to the pipe when fully closed. Confirm this visually. Open your kitchen faucet to release all remaining water pressure from the supply lines completely. Watch the flow slow to a drip and then stop. This confirms the line is fully depressurized and safe. Use an adjustable wrench to loosen the compression nut connecting the supply line to the old valve. Always turn counterclockwise to loosen. Steady controlled force prevents damage to surrounding pipes. Some residual water will drip out as the supply line disconnects. Your bucket handles this easily. Position your wrench on the old valve body itself and begin turning counterclockwise to remove it. Work slowly and carefully. Old corroded valves can be stiff and require firm but patient effort. Once removed, inspect the old valve. Corrosion and mineral buildup explain exactly why it failed. Clean the exposed pipe threads thoroughly before applying any tape or installing the new valve. Wrap plumber's tape clockwise around the pipe threads, always clockwise to prevent unwinding during installation. Apply 3 to 4 tight, overlapping layers of tape. This creates a completely watertight thread seal. Thread the new valve onto the pipe by hand first. Never force it with a wrench until hand tight. Use your adjustable wrench to tighten the valve firmly, snug and secure without over-tightening. Over-tightening can crack fittings and create new leaks. Firm and snug is always the correct standard. Reconnect your supply line to the new valve outlet and tighten the compression nut securely by hand first. Finish tightening the compression nut with your wrench. A quarter turn past hand tight is sufficient. Before restoring water pressure, visually inspect every connection one final time for proper alignment. Slowly turn the main water supply back on. Never open it suddenly, as water hammer can damage pipes. Watch every connection point carefully as pressure builds. Any drip must be addressed immediately. Use a completely dry cloth to test each joint. Even a tiny amount of moisture indicates a tightening issue. A successfully replaced shutoff valve means no more leaks, no more water